Introduce with FC Pro series. FC Pro mostly use as outdoor LED display solution. FC Pro mostly used in billboard. In roadside small board, where every people who pass can see your message. In highway to inform about many important things. Also in shopping mall, to showcase product. Beside night, the FC Pro remains clearly visible even in daylight. It's also used in outside of apartments. Stadium is another important place where FC Pro used. FC Pro can be integrated into building facades to create dynamic and eye-catching architectural features. It's also used as 3D billboard. In a world full of visual noise, 3D billboards can't be ignored. Now, you may have a question. Why FC Pro used in outside? Firstly, it is waterproof. Then it's dust-proof. FC Pro are much brighter to compete with sunlight.